Magandang hapon po ng Friday, October 20, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, October 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, October 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, October 20, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 20 million pesos for October 20, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, October 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.